Hello class, it is article 2.1.3 of your book. How do metals carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate react with acids? Means we will do the reaction of metal carbonate with acid and the metal bicarbonate, that is called metal, also called metal hydrogen carbonate. What will happen when these react with the acids? Today we will do this. Before going to the observation, let's perform the experiment. Take a test tube and add a solution of metal carbonate, suppose the sodium carbonate in it. And in the second test tube, take the metal bicarbonate. ठीक है, bicarbonate means hydrogen carbonate. CO3 is the carbonate and HCO3 is the bicarbonate. Label it as B. We have taken two test tubes. In one test tube we have added the solution of metal carbonate, and in the second test tube we have added the solution of metal bicarbonate. ठीक है. Next we will add hydrochloric acid in both of the test tubes. Means there is a reaction between the metal carbonate and acid, and metal bicarbonate and the acid. What will happen? What will be you observe? A gas is produced. ठीक है, a gas is produced and that gas is a carbon dioxide. How can we check the that gas is the carbon dioxide? ठीक है जी, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को हमने क्या करेंगे, लाइम वाटर से पास करेंगे and we will see the milky solution. Lime water. What is the lime water? It is the calcium hydroxide, that is also called the slag lime. When it passes through the carbon dioxide gas, it becomes milky. The milky appearance of the calcium hydroxide solution shows the presence of carbon dioxide. Let's see what will happen in the test tube A. What we have added? Sodium carbonate, and then acid in it. It is in aqueous form. सोडियम कार्बोनेट हम सॉल्ट लेंगे. ठीक है, सॉलिड फॉर्म में होगा, पाउडर फॉर्म में होगा. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन? इट फॉर्म्स द सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन, वाटर एंड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ये सारे हमारे पास क्या होंगे? सोडियम क्लोराइड विल बी इन सोल्यूशन, वाटर विल is liquid and carbon dioxide is the gas. Actually what happen? The metal carbonate when react with the acid, they produce salt, water and the carbon dioxide. Similarly for the test tube B, balance this equation. Second one is the metal bicarbonate. It react with the acid and it will produce the salt solution, water and the carbon dioxide gas. ठीक है, it is balanced, no need to balance it. On passing, ठीक है, this gas through the slag lime or lime water, what will happen? It forms the white precipitates of calcium carbonate along with the water. It forms the white precipitate, milky precipitate, and this precipitates shows the reaction with the carbon dioxide. जैसे हाइड्रोजन में क्या होती है? पॉप साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है. ठीक है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को अब क्या करोगे? जब स्लेग लाइम से पास करवाओगे द इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द मिल्की. ठीक है, इट कन्वर्ट इनटू मिल्की. व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन एक्सेस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज एडेड टू दिस सोल्यूशन? जो हमारे पास कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट था, इसमें वाटर, इसमें एक्सेस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? When the excess of carbon dioxide is added to this solution, it forms the calcium bicarbonate. ठीक है, calcium bicarbonate which is soluble in water, which is soluble in water. Here it forms the precipitates, means precipitates are insoluble in water, but when excess of carbon dioxide is passes through this solution, it become soluble. insoluble से क्या हो गया, soluble हो गया. हमारे पास जो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट है, वेयर यूज़ हुई कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, जो लाइमस्टोन हो गया, ठीक है, limestone, chalk, marble, all these are the different forms of calcium carbonate. Now we will summarize the metal carbonate or the metal bicarbonate. When they react with the acid, they forms the salt, carbon dioxide and the water. ठीक है, next this is all about today's class. Any of your queries or doubt, you can ask me in the chat box, in the comment box.